As a business case estimate, let's start with a figure of 350 to 400 active biotech SMEs in the Netherlands, including startups, scale-ups, and mid-sized biotechs in therapeutics, diagnostics, bioinformatics, AI, biomanufacturing, and digital health platforms. The total employment stats reflect approximately 12,000 to 14,000 biotech-related FTEs, with 70% in R&D, technical, scientific roles. These are concentrated in Leiden Bioscience Park, Utrecht Science Park, Amsterdam Science Park, and North Brabant region. The combined revenues estimate at euros 1.8 to 2.2 billion per year in 23-24, with 70 to 80% from therapeutics and diagnostic SMEs. The revenues primarily consist of pre-commercial grants, licensing deals, and early production. The capital raised is euros 8 to 9 billion, raised over the last 10 years, with annual VC funding of euros 800 million to 1 billion range in 2023, and significant NGF and Horizon Europe support of euros 400 million plus. The current stats suggest that the Dutch biotech SME sector has the capacity for a 4 to 5 times growth in market size and employment by 2034. This means the number of SMEs can prospectively grow to 600 to 700 biotech SMEs driven by digital health, synthetic biology, AI, drug discovery, cell and gene therapy, with new verticals in microbiome, bioelectronics, neurotech. This translates to an estimated combined revenue projected at around euros 8 to 10 billion per year from commercial stage products, CDMO services, licensing income, AI solutions, and digital platforms. Of course, this also depends on the availability of estimated highly skilled manpower projected at 25,000 to 30,000 FTEs. With a focus on skills in bioinformatics, regulatory, clinical operations, AI, ML, and platform development. All available evidence and data suggest that the current 5 to 7% gap in percent of demand of highly skilled talent shows a trend towards increase to more than 20% over the coming years. To maintain its position as an innovation-driven biotech economy and a preferred biotech powerhouse in Europe, for the Dutch biotech sector, it's important to have future-ready solutions in place to maintain its global and European competitiveness. Other European countries are upping the game too. Germany aims to attract the largest biotech talent pool in EU, with strong VC and industrial biotech ecosystems. Sweden aims for a EU's leading AI-driven biotech ecosystem for personalized medicine, genomic research. France's 2030 program for massive public funding may outpace the Dutch in bioproduction capabilities. Sehtu is a specialized Dutch and India-based firm with deep expertise for the Indian Offshore Development Center, ODC model for Dutch biotech and life sciences SMEs. Sehtu proposes to become the specialized Indian Capability Center and ODC partner for the Dutch biotech SMEs. Why Sehtu? Sehtu is led by Eric Leferink and Dr. Edwin Klumper, who are Dutch, and Dr. Nilesh Atre, who is an Indian. We have collective 75 years of experience in European and Indian industry, including big pharma drug development, business management, medical affairs, regulatory affairs, clinical research, and clinical data management. We understand the Dutch and Indian business and biotech genes because we have them in us. We are the only purely Dutch and Indian company offering these services to the Dutch and Indian biotech market. We are your seamless business extension because we are ourselves based out of Amsterdam and Mumbai. There are many European big pharma, like Novartis, Roche, AstraZeneca, GSK, that already have their global capability centers in India. So it's a time-tested and proven model. But the Dutch SMEs may not have the business bandwidth or market intelligence to do this on their own. Sehtu provides the same business model and operational know-how for Dutch biotech SMEs to have their own ODC, GCC business operational in India. With Sehtu's support, a Dutch biotech SME can have your own highly skilled team and dedicated international standards Mumbai or India office up and running in 1 month. With Sehtu's support, the Dutch biotech SME sector can be future-ready for the availability of skilled biotech talent over the coming 10 years. We would like to present ourselves as your specialized and dedicated GCC ODC partner based out of Netherlands and India. A preferred partner that you can rely on for the entire Dutch biotech SME sector, so that the Dutch biotech SME sector can focus on what it does best: innovation and biotech leadership for Europe and the world.